Did you know that only 1 in every 5 households in Ghana has an improved sanitation facility? Without a toilet, there is no way to prevent your feces from contaminating your environment. Minute amounts can get on your hands, in your food and water supply and spread diseases. Open defecation is a leading cause of diarrheal death, says the WHO. Do you know that open defecation has also been linked to stunting? The repercussions of stunting can be felt beyond the individual child and can impact entire communities and generations in terms of economic and social development. Stunted bodies, stunted brains, and stunted lives. Toilets are especially important for our women and girls. It is important for their health, safety, and dignity. For women and adolescent girls, toilets provide a space to manage their menstrual hygiene and are an important measure in lowering the risk of harassment when defecating in the open around dusk and dawn.
What trending? Get your own toilet.
To wash your hands before and after you eat. Brother, wash your hands with soap after you boo-boo.